कळंगूट कांदोळे वाठारांत साळगांवचे गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांटा खातीर हळशीक वास चडूच येता म्हूण कांदोळे रेजिडेंट अँड कंज्युमर फोरमान सीएम पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डा कडेन कागाळ केल्या.
रात जाल्या उपरांत 11 वाजता गार्बेजचो वास जो येता तो सोसूंक जायना. आमच्यांनी दारां उगडी कशींच घालूंक जायना, दारान धांपून भितर रावचें पडटा. जरी तर हो वास असोच उरलो जाल्यार फुडाराक आमकां दुयेंस जावंक शकता.
The garbage treatment plant was only to cater Calangute constituency and surrounding areas. But the garbage seems to be coming from all over Goa, which is overpiling the garbage, and they cannot treat this when they're supposed to be treating only 70%, and they're now treating about 80%.
And the smell is absolutely bad. 2 weeks back, I was on the beach. I'm particularly saying I was on the beach at a shack. And at 11 o'clock in the night, the smell coming on the beach, which is supposed to be an airy place, an open place, giving fresh air, was stinking like as if I was sitting in the garbage dump itself.
साळगांवच्या गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांटाची गत सोनसड्यासारखी जावंक शकता. हाका जबाबदार राजकारणीच. गोंयांत आनीकूय प्लांट जावपाची गरज.
Now everybody thinks that this garbage plant is for entire Goa. Now who is thinking? The politicians are thinking first. There are ministers, there are MLAs, corporators, there are municipal corporations. They think that they should send the garbage to us. Now Ponda Municipal Council wants to send their garbage to us, and they were sending for the last 1 year. They had used some influence from of the office of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, and they were sending. Now Saligao sending, Old Goa, Santa Cruz, San Andre. Now if these municipalities are going to send to Calangute and Saligao garbage treatment plant, how will the people not suffer? So we need to establish more garbage plants in Goa. And if we are not going to do that, then this garbage plant will die its natural death. Like it's going to die. Like how Sonsodo failed. Sonsodo failed for only one reason. And the reason is that everybody thought that it is a dump yard and not a plant. आयज मातसो वास हिंगासर चडूच येवंक लागलो, कित्याक आमी आदली गार्बेज ट्रीट करता. वी आर ट्रिटींग द ओल्ड गार्बेज ऑफ कांदोलीम, which is nearly 2000 trucks which we shifted from Aradi to garbage treatment plant, and we are treating that.
चडशे कडलो गार्बेज सध्या घेवप बंद केला. पर्वरेच्यानूय खूब गार्बेज येता, तोय बंद करतले.
Ponda Municipal Council, their vehicles have been stopped. Saligao has been stopped. Panjim has been curtailed. Only one truck is coming. Then there are San Andre, Santa Cruz. All these panchayats have been stopped. Now we are receiving heavy garbage from Porvorim, which I am going to see that it stops.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्यामसुंदर फट्टी.